Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Richard here, and it is another quick video for you today. We are going to be looking again at some Lightroom tips and tricks, and today it's all about setting up presets. So you've got those photos into Lightroom, you want to give your photos a quick one edit, one click, supersonic boost. You click one button and bang, your photo is halfway there. So we are going to look on how to use and to set up Lightroom presets. So let's head into Lightroom. Okay, so welcome to Lightroom. Here I have a picture of my son that I took probably 3 years ago now. I'm going to do a couple of quick edits just to make the changes obvious. We're going to go black and white. We are going to increase some contrast, take the blacks down a little bit, highlights down a little bit, a little boost on the shadows. Let's apply one of my basic tone curves to give it a bit more of a vintage look, and a little bit of a vignette maybe, followed by a quick sharpening so that there. So we have before and after. Let's go back to the main view. Okay, so when you're happy with the edits and you think to yourself, I like what I've done there, I want to apply that to another photo. So all you do is you come over to the side here. You are obviously in develop module. You come over to the side here where it says presets. You click on the plus button here and you go to create presets, and you have these groups down here where I have for JPEG, for RAW, and so on. And so you can choose which section you want to keep it in. And I am going to create a new group just to show you, and we are going to call this tutorials and create. And you'll see down here in a minute we will have a new group come up, and we are going to call this black and white. Let's just say classic. Everything that we've just done we want to save, so we're going to save all the ticks here. Obviously if there's some things that you've done to the photo that you don't want to save, perhaps you've done some filters, or you've done some straightening corrections or cropping, and you don't want to save the cropping, you just want to save the edits that are going to affect the color and the brightness and the contrast and things like that, then you untick those boxes. But I'm going to leave everything ticked here for the time being, and we say create, and we can see down here now that we have a folder called tutorials. So I am just going to reset this image. We're going to go back to how it was, and all you then need to do to apply that is make sure you are in the develop module, come over to the left hand side, and you get a preview of what is going to happen to the image. There are obviously some presets here that don't work too good on this image, so we like the black and white classic that we've just set up, so we're going to click on that, and that is done. So there we go, real quick how you do it. You make your adjustments, you click on the plus button, you click on create preset, you name your preset and what folder you want to save it in, or what user group you want to save it in, and you are done. And that preset is now there for you to use on future images. So there we go, how quick was that? I told you it'd be a quick one. Not going to take up too much of your time today. Thank you for watching, and if you found that useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later.